Yes, if you're looking for a cute, kid-friendly hairstyle for back to school, guess what? You on the right channel at the right time. I got you. How y'all doing? It's your girl Nuckie Miami, and I'm in the building. First and foremost, I want to say you new to my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you breezing through. I appreciate the love already. And for my loyal subscribers that's rocking with me since day one and keep showing me love and keep supporting my channel, I love y'all. Cause guess what? Without y'all, like really just like you know what I'm saying, just adding me and just watch my videos and like my videos and commenting. Like trust me, it won't be going nowhere, and I'm grateful and I really appreciate it all. Okay, so thanks again for that. Now let's get right into the video. School don't start it for some kids in the South. My daughter start next week, and I'm trying to like get her hair done right, cause I'm not gonna be paying on my lid. My daughter hair braided when I could braid it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a lit braider, but I do what I could do how I could do it. Alright? And my daughter gonna be in a second grade. Yeah, congratulations, my daughter. She'll be in second grade. Oh my god, she growing so fast on me, y'all. For real. Like, but that's a blessing. That means she living, she in good health, and I appreciate that, okay? And yeah, but I wanna do her hair like in 2 ponytails, but braided ponytails. It's gonna be one to the one side and one to the back. The hairstyle I started on Pinterest. Y'all know Pinterest is one of my favorite spots to like get inspired by and to get like creations, and that's what I went for. So something on Pinterest I got. It's not nothing grown because these kids out here, like, no disrespect to the kids, I love the kids, but they mom be having their hair so grown and I cannot stand it. I really can't. But like, I ain't no fake. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I mean, and y'all know I'm 100, but my daughter, I put weave on the hair. Don't get it twisted. I put weave on the hair. You know what I'm saying? But it's not nothing grown. It's not nothing like pink color, purple color. Because these kids be having all the colors in the hair. And I'm not like disrespect nobody, but to each his own. Right? To each his own. Anyway, so this hairstyle is going to require weave for what I'm doing. But if you don't want to put weave in your hair or your daughter's hair, I understand. Trust me, I get it. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put you on about that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start to braid her hair. As you see, I went ahead and parted the way I did it. And her hair is short, but she between the 4B and 4C hair. But I do what I could do. I make it work the best way I could because, you know, like this is my only daughter, my only child. And like, I got to make sure she right all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it rolling. I ain't going to talk too much in the video. I will come back to you when I'm doing the top layer, okay? So y'all stay tuned. Keep it locked to your girl, right? Okay. I got you, guys.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave.
I know I said I'm going to go ahead and come back when I get to the top layer, but I want to go ahead and remind you that I won't be recording the whole video, but I will do the best I could. And whatnot, I'm going to go ahead and do the back all the way up, just like so. As you can see, it's not perfect, but guess what? It gonna get the job done. And yeah, so That's how we gonna go ahead and keep it cute and humble at the same time. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you tryna leave? How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say oh. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you tryna leave? How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying,
So now we on the top bump. Now we on the top lid. Yes, okay, so you saw me do a braid right to the side. Well, I ain't gonna keep that there. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there for now. That way it won't like get in my way or confuse me when I'm doing her braids to one side. So I'm basically just parting it on one side and start to braid it regular. And then once I go ahead, I'm gonna keep braiding it all the way around. Now when I get to the left side of her ear, I did not like record that. I'm so sorry y'all, but I had did that the next day. So I was like, I ain't gonna get my tripod out, my camera out, like whatever. So I'm sorry again, I didn't record it. Alright, but y'all still get my drift. Y'all still understand how I'm braiding it. I'm just braiding it as I go. Like, you could do it how you want to do it. Whatever braid you prefer, you do what you do. See, I don't know how to stitch braid. Like, I tried it. It was garbage. It did not came out like nice. So I already don't do stitch braid. I do the old school braiding when you just pick it up and go. Okay? And it works for me. So we gonna keep like that. We ain't gonna force nothing around here, baby, at all. We don't do that in real life. So as you guys see, I'm just going ahead and braid. I'm gonna come back to y'all and show y'all the last step of how I'm gonna add the synthetic hair to her head. Okay. So this right here is the last finale of the hairstyle. I made these by hand. I went ahead and like put synthetic hair on a rubber band and I just started to braid it down, put beads on it, rubber bands on it, and call it a day. I'll show y'all how I do another video. It's so many videos out there, that's where I get it from. And I'm gonna show you how I do mine. So basically this is that trending. It came out like 2-3 years ago, but it's coming back out now, and it's very, very versatile. It's very easy to do. As you guys can see, my daughter hair is short again, and it won't work too good unless I force it. But like I told you, I don't really force things, but I'm gonna make it work with this because like I said, I'm doing this for a show, to show parents that's inspired by my hairdos and what I do, that they kids can, you know what I'm saying, be confident and be cute. Even though long hair don't make you, you know what I'm saying, but some people want their kids to like have a decent hairstyle, and I totally understand, so I'm here for it. And as you guys can see, I just went ahead and put it through on the ponytail just like that, and you're gonna go ahead and hide the real hair the best way you could. You can wrap it around, you can tuck it in, you do what you gotta do. And I did off of camera, I sewed it in because like I feel like when you sew it in, a kid can like run around the playground, do whatever without coming out, because you don't want your child to have a hair like this and it just come out. That is so embarrassing. Like, I can't imagine a kid just being ashamed like forever, and they stick with the kids when they in school. So make sure you have it on real good. If your child like going to a school where you know they playing, or it can get snatched out, you don't want it. okay? You don't want it. So, okay, remember that. So, like, I'm going to show you guys how to sew it in on my next video that's coming up in the future. So, you guys want to see that, please let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And we can go ahead and get that video for you. By the fact, go ahead and hit my subscribe button if you feeling this video, you liking my comments, liking my commentary, my content. Like, hook your girl up. It is free. It costs nothing, okay? So I appreciate the love for everybody, no matter the views, subscribe, like, whatever you got for me, I'm taking it, okay? Thanks again. So as you guys see, I went ahead and put the little knockers on it, and it made everything all covered up. It made everything so cute. Yeah. And I didn't do them long because, like I said, she only 6 years old. She'll be 7 next month. And guess what? My baby's a Virgo. So shout out to all the Virgos out there because, yeah, my baby's a Virgo. Her birthday's September the 2nd, okay? And, yeah, so I keep saying, yeah. I don't know why I be saying, yeah. I be trying to stop that, but it's hard. It really is hard. But y'all understand, though. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and do the second one the same way. Just put it on there, make sure it's not too tight for the baby head, and that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing as I did with the back one, with the ponytails, knockers on it to like play it off. A lot of people, they use a big bowl, like the JoJo Swisher bowl. They use the real big ones, and that's a good one too. It cover up everything. But I didn't want no bowl. I wanted like something like different and something where everybody ain't really too much got. So this is how I went ahead and tuck it in. I just braided her hair short. You can add extension hair to play it off if your daughter hair short like mine, and just wrap it all the way around. But do what you do, how you could do it. Like I said, there's plenty videos out there that show you the exact way how to do it. But these people just do their own way, and it's okay. It's good. As long as it works for you, do what you could do. And that's about it. Yeah, I'm going to give her a little baby hairs. Well, she already got baby hairs, but I'm going to go ahead and gel it up. And I'm going to come into y'all and show y'all the last part, how she looked, because I think it came out real cute. Let me know what y'all think, alright? Keep it locked to the last pictures, alright? Appreciate you guys again for sticking with your girl, Nuckie Miami, the building. Thank you. Peace out, y'all. One love back.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way.
Miss Thing Thing is ready for back to school with her little cute hairdo. Y'all see how it came out. I think it came out real cute. It ain't perfect, but I really like it. It's child appropriate. It's right on time. And you know what I'm saying? It's not too much. It's just right for me and my taste. I hope you guys like it like I like it. You know what I'm saying? I really hope you appreciate it. If you do, like I say, throw that comment down below. Don't be petty, because guess what? We all here for everybody. And like I say, thanks again for tuning in. And follow me on TikTok. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you follow me, I follow you. I'm the type of person, I'm gonna show love back. I ain't too cute, I ain't too ill to show the love, because guess what? Like I said again, I'm here for the people. Like, I can relate, trust me. And that's how it look. That's how the back look. I think it came out cute. Like, for real. Not because I did it, but because I did it. Alright, y'all. So once again, I'll see y'all in my next video. Y'all keep it locked. Okay, bye.
This shit sound like an intro, just won't give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. You better cheat me, Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the views packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all was